Kawadhi mbele kod weche manyien na nyako Ramogi en ni kweth mar twak e kinda Azimio la Umoja kod Kenya Kwanza mideno ni NADCO okoro kwayo mondo omed gi thuolo mar dwe achiel mondo gitiek twak kendo chwal lipot margi ne ogai maggi. Jatend kweth mathoth e od bura mamalo Kimani Ichung'wah ochwalo kwayo makamano e od bura e kinde ma kwethno kata kamano chano dhi buto kamoro mondo odo i lipot mane ochwal kod oganda jo Kenya.
Acknowledging that since its establishment, the committee has made tremendous progress in exercise of its mandate and has achieved the following milestones: formulated and adopted the framework agreement, framed and adopted the statement of issues, unbundled the issues and agreed on prioritization of issues, harmonized the unbundled issues, conducted public participation and stakeholder engagements in line with the requirements of Article 10 of the Constitution, and examine and analyze the memoranda that were received from the public and stakeholder submissions. Further cognizant that the committee is presently in the process of considering the issues for negotiations and recommending appropriate constitutional, legal and policy reforms on each of the framed issues, which are electoral justice and related matters, outstanding constitutional matters, fidelity to political parties through coalitions, and the law on multi-party democracy. Entrenching the National Government Constituency Development Fund, National Government Affirmative Action Fund, and the Senate Oversight Fund into the Constitution, and establishment and entrenchment of state offices. Conscious that the resolution as passed by both houses of parliament require the committee to report to the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and Azimio coalitions within 60 days from 29th August 2023, recognizing the need for the committee to conclude the consideration of the issues for negotiations, the process of making the appropriate constitutional, legal and policy reforms on each of the issues as framed by the committee, and preparation of a report for submission to the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and Azimio coalitions and thereafter to Parliament. Now, therefore, the Houses of Parliament resolve to extend the mandate of the National Dialogue Committee by a further 30 days from 28th October 2023, and consequently, the committee shall be required to report to the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and Azimio coalitions on or before 26th November 2023, and thereafter submit its report to Parliament.
Piny owacho chano keto tenge bilion 18 ewi